Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about two verbs that can show our attitude and can always be used in our daily life. Let's see them. Number one is 觉得. 觉得. It means feel or think to show your opinions. The here is a neutral tone. The common structure of this word is the subject and 觉得 and adjective or clause. For example, 我觉得太贵了。我觉得太贵了。It means I think it's too expensive. 我觉得便宜了。我觉得便宜了。I don't think it's expensive. 我觉得不错。我觉得不错。我觉得挺好。我觉得挺好。Both of them means not bad, or well done, or good job, something like this. So that is the simplest expressions of 觉得 this word. That is the subject and 觉得 and adjective. 觉得什么什么怎么样，这是最简单的用法。Next, the structure is the subject and 觉得 and another clause. For example, 我觉得你应该写作业了。我觉得你应该写作业了。Here, 我 is the subject. 觉得 is a verb that we learned today. 你应该写作业了 is another clause. The clause follow the basic structure, subject and predicate and object, right? And then the structure is the subject and 觉得 and the verb or verb phrase. This way is always used in a conversation. Should have the contact. For example, 你觉得什么运动好？我觉得打篮球吧。So should have the contact or will be strange. So now let's practice. It's so late. I should have something to eat. So about this contact, how to speak it in Chinese? Use 觉得 to make a sentence. That is, 这么晚了，我觉得我该吃点什么了。这么晚了，我觉得我应该吃点什么了。Something like this. So, if 觉得 and the verb follow this structure, so we should have a conversation and have a contact, or we cannot understand what's meaning. Okay, let's go on. The second word we learned today is about 希望. 希望. It means hope or expect. Actually, the ways of using 希望 and 觉得 is similar. Structure is the subject and 希望 and verb or verb phrase or adjective or another clause. Some examples. 我希望努力学习。我希望努力学习。希望 and a verb phrase. 我希望快快乐乐的。我希望快快乐乐的。希望 and adjective, right? 我希望你可以尽快完成这项工作。我希望你可以尽快完成这项工作。希望 and another clause, right? So we have known 觉得 and 希望. The negative form of them are 不觉得 and 不希望. For example, 我不觉得很好。我不觉得很好 equal to 我觉得不好 means I don't think so or I don't think it's good. Another example, 我不希望你不开心。我不希望你不开心 equal to 我希望你开心 means I hope that you will be happy. Something like this. So this structure is just to help you understand how to use these words and how this words order is like. But when we speak, more flexible, practice more and you will become more proficient. Last week, we have learned the reduplication of adjectives, right? The form like AA 式 and AABB 式. Someone left me a message and want to know ABAB 式 and ABB 式. So today, I'd like to explain it for you. First of all, it's ABAB. About its form, verbs used more, but some two-syllable adjectives can also use this form. It's mostly used to express color. For example, we know the Chinese character 红 means red, right? 红 is a one-syllable adjective, but we also have 粉红 means pink, 金黄 means golden yellow, some colors like this. So in this case, we will use ABAB, this form, like 粉红粉红的，粉红粉红的，金黄金黄的。We will not use 粉粉红红 or 金金黄黄. That's wrong. So that's the way of ABAB. Besides, ABB, in Chinese, we have some words or adjectives like 绿油油, 红彤彤, 水灵灵, and so on. These adjectives in Chinese seems more vivid to express something, like 水灵灵, more used to praise a girl. She is beautiful. She is not only beautiful, but also very energetic. Some meaning like this. So, as for beginners to learn Chinese, remember the form like AABB or AA. These forms of adjectives reduplication. That's enough, because in daily conversations, the forms of adjective reduplications like ABAB and ABB, these forms are not always used. So just learn about them. That's enough. Alright, today our video is coming to an end. If you have any questions, can leave a comment below. I will choose some necessary and important questions to explain to you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!